Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your gift card on World of Tanks. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in worldoftanks.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official World of Tanks website. Now click on the proceed button to proceed towards your region, and now you will gain access to the website fully. Now within the game menu at the top section, you will find a drop down button alongside game. Go ahead and click on it and you will find the redeem bonus code option. Go ahead and click on this option and now you will be asked to log into your account. Proceed with typing your email address and then type in your password. After entering both of these details, click on the login button and now you will be logged into your account on World of Tanks. And after you are logged into your account, you will immediately see the redeem button that you can click on to proceed with entering your code in order to redeem it. And there you have it. That is how you can redeem your codes or your gift card on World of Tanks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.